Can I use an ADT camera without subscribing to their service?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting question. Can I use an ADT camera without subscribing to their service? Let's dive deep into this topic and clarify what can and can't be done with your ADT camera without a service plan.
What is ADT?
First things first, it's essential to understand what ADT is. ADT is a leading provider of security, automation, and smart home solutions serving residential and business customers. Their security devices, like the ADT camera, often require a subscription to fully benefit from their features.
Can I use an ADT camera without a subscription?
The short answer is yes, but with limitations. The camera will still function without a subscription, meaning it will still record footage and enable live viewing. However, without a subscription, you lose access to ADT's 24/7 professional monitoring services. ADT's professional monitoring services are integral to their security systems. Without a subscription, you won't have access to features like automatic alerts to emergency services in case of a break-in or fire. Also, your ability to access and store video footage could be limited.
Is it worth using an ADT camera without a subscription?
Now, the next question you might ask is it worth using an ADT camera without a subscription? In general, if you simply want to use your ADT camera for basic video surveillance, it can work. You can still access live feed and record video footage. However, if you're looking for more comprehensive security features like mobile alerts, cloud storage, and professional monitoring, then a subscription would be necessary. So, to wrap up, can you use an ADT camera without a subscription? Yes, you can, but it limits the features that make these cameras such a popular choice in the first place. Remember, your safety is paramount, and sometimes a subscription may be worthwhile for the additional peace of mind. I hope this video has clarified your doubts, and stay safe out there.